Honestly, I didn't think this assist hook setup would work the first time I made it. Eyes. It looked strange, different from the normal assist hooks most anglers use. But sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest difference underwater. And after testing this setup while fishing, I started noticing something interesting. Fish were committing harder, not just hitting the lure and disappearing, actually getting hooked more consistently. That's when I realized the problem isn't always the fish. Sometimes the real problem is the hook setup itself. Most anglers spend all their time thinking about lure color, jig action, or fishing spots, but very few people pay attention to how the assist hook moves underwater. And honestly, that tiny detail changes everything. So I started experimenting at home, trying different hook positions, different lengths, different ways to connect the hooks. Most of the ideas failed. Some tangled too much, some didn't move naturally, and some looked good but didn't work once they hit the water. But this setup felt different almost immediately. The movement looked cleaner, the hooks stayed in a better position, and the setup tangled much less compared to normal assist hooks. That alone made fishing feel smoother. Because if you fish often, you already know how annoying tangles can be. Sometimes one small tangle ruins the entire jig action. Sometimes the hooks wrap around the line without you noticing. And sometimes a fish hits perfectly, but never gets hooked properly. That's exactly what I wanted to improve. And after more testing, I noticed another difference. The hookups felt more solid. The fish weren't just touching the jig anymore. They were actually committing to the strike. And before I continue, if you enjoy fishing experiments and homemade ideas like this eyes, hit the like button, thumbs up, subscribe for more fishing content, fishing pole, and leave a comment below, even if you disagree with me. Seriously, I accept criticism, different opinions, and new ideas because that's how we all improve as anglers. Now here's the interesting part. This setup still looks wrong to a lot of people. Even now, some anglers would probably look at it and think, why would anyone rig assist hooks like that? But fishing has always been about experimenting. Every smart fishing idea once looked strange to somebody. And honestly, that's what makes fishing fun for me. Testing weird ideas, trying different setups, and discovering small details that actually improve performance underwater. Because sometimes the biggest improvements come from the smallest changes. Not expensive gear, not fancy equipment, just understanding how your setup behaves underwater. And that's the reason I wanted to share this assist hook design. Not because it's magic, but because it genuinely surprised me after testing it. So before your next fishing trip, take one more look at your assist hooks, because there's a chance the problem was never your lure at all. Eyes fire.